All the tears I cried, all the pain I keep inside.
Lalabas lang ako. Lalabas. Kailangan lang pa tungante.
Was it just a dream when you said to me that there's someone new in your life? You could have at least tonight, but you just hurt me. Even if you mean the whole downward to me, I can forget you wait and see. I can be strong and live without you.
Nagbibidyo si ate, bakit mapasama tayo?
Hoping you come back to me. But deep inside, I know I'm a king.
Then parang pumayat ka din. Yes.
Payat tayo.
Obviously.
Sana all.
Sabi
niyo.
Oo, pumayat siya ng kunti, be.
Siya ayaw ko din.
Kontrabida, no?
Ay, tatayin na nga ako.